Ready for the quiz? Yes, you are. Let's go.
Question 1. Which of the following is Ammi? Is it father or is it
Paternal uncle. Paternal uncle.
That's correct. Amazing work. Keep it up. Which of the following is Khali? Is it cousin or maternal uncle? Maternal uncle? Perfect. You're doing great. Question 3. Which of the following is Jadati? Is it grandmother or maternal aunt? Answer, grandmother. Fantastic! You're on fire! Question 4. Which of the following is Ummi? Is it my mother or my sister? My mother? Yes, that's correct. Great job! Question 5. Which of the following is Ukhti? Is it my sister or my father? My sister, spot on! You've nailed it. Fantastic work.
Thanks for watching. Watch for Arabic videos by qualified teachers. Test your understanding with the free online quiz, link in the description. Watch more vocab videos with attached exercises for free. Until next time, take care and keep learning.